how to delete your Shopify account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. But if you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So after opening your Shopify app, what you want to do is go to your profile on the top left and then click on your name, and there you'll see delete account option below logout. Tap on it. Now, to permanently delete your Shopify account, you need to deactivate all of your stores first. So tap on deactivate, and you'll see there is a starter trial. What you have to do is tap on cancel trial, and then you'll be redirected to this page. So what you have to do is tick on I have reviewed the information above and hit continue, and then give the reason of why you're closing this store, and you can give any reason. Tap on continue, and then again confirm your cancel trial. What you have to do is you have to go back to your account again and then tap on delete account, and there you go, your account has been deleted. If you want to watch more tutorials like this, then don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.